We continue with the Vienna Waltz. Now we will try a step that introduces us to dancing in a circle. For now we will turn to the right 90 degrees. Then we will increase it to 180 degrees. Let's try. Knees slightly bent. We start with the right foot to the front. 1. We make the turn in the first step through the right arm. Now with the left foot we make a step to the side. And 3, we join them together. Once again, right foot to the front, turn, left foot to the side, and on 3, we join them together. Right foot to the left foot, stop. Let's go on. Left foot to the back. Once again, we make the turn in the first step. 1, right to the side, 2, and 3, we join the left to the right, 3. And again, right to the front, 1, the turn is on the first step, 2, step to the side, with the left, and 3, we join the right with the left. Good. And left to the back, the turn again on the first stop, with the right to the side, and 3, join feet together. Right, we made a square, the same as in English waltz. Let's try again. And right to the front, 1, turn on the first step, left to the side, and on 3, join the right to the left. Now, left foot goes to the back, we make a step, now right to the side, and on 3, we join the left to the right. 1. Now again, right to the front, turn on the first step, 2 to the side, or 3, we join together, left to the back, 1, right to the side. In the Vienna Waltz, we have tiny steps, all on the same level. In the English Waltz, we were going from the bottom to the top, but in the Vienna Waltz, we try to remain on the same level. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to stay on the same level. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's try it together with me, slowly. 1, 2, 3. Left to the back. 1, 2. Right to the side. 3, we join together. Right to the front. 1. Left to the side. 2, 3. And left to the back. 1, 2, 3. We increase the tempo. And 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. Left. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll show it from the back. And we start with the right to the front, turn to the right, left to the back, turn to the right, right to the front, turn to the right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's summarize. In the same row, 2 steps. Third, we join together. 2 steps. On the third, we join. Attention, we can't do something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's how we dance disco. It's always 2 steps in a row. First, right away the second. Third, we join feet together. First, second, feet together. First, second, feet together. And first, second, stop. Let's try in a pair now. First, hands together. Elbows are at the same height. That's the most important thing. And now, the lead starts with the right foot to the front, the follow with the left to the back. And so we sing. 1, 2, 3. 1. The lead with the left, the follow with the right, lead with the right, and we return starting 1, 2, 3. Not right, easy. Once again, the lead goes with the right to the front, the follow with the left to the back. Lead goes with the left to the back, the follow with the right to the front. The lead with the right to the front, and the lead with the right for the back. Easy rule, we are always synced. We can have right foot for the lead and right foot for the follow. We are always in sync. We'll show it this way. And the lead with the right, the follow with the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And important, if the lead is tall, just like me, then we cannot dance like this, hovering over our follow. First of all, our follow will feel uncomfortable. And second of all, we will not be able to dance the music. The lead, if they are tall, must bend their knees more. We adjust our height to the follow. The nose of the lead should not be higher than the top of the head of the follow. We will try a little bit faster now. We join together, the lead with the right to the front, the follow with the left to the back. Let's remember, small steps, that's the first thing. And second, we do everything at the same height. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Small steps. 1. Knees slightly bent. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And for now, the turn is 90 degrees. 1, 2. We'll try again with the music. And now, so it is easier for us, we will combine the static step with a new one on 90 degrees. Let's begin. And step out with the foot, turn together. And large square. And again, in place. In place. And the big one. And again in place. 1, 2, 3. And this is how we practice. A few times with the music. 2, 3. And we turn.